Hey there, looking to make some quick cash online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $7 every minute with Ysense. Now, if you haven't heard of Ysense before, it's one of the easiest platforms to start earning money from the comfort of your home. You can take surveys, complete tasks, or even try out new products. And the best part is, it's 100% free to join. So, how does it work? Well, once you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll have access to a wide range of tasks and surveys. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion, and that's where you come in. It doesn't take any special skills. All you need is some time and an internet connection. You can do this from anywhere, whether you're sitting on your couch, on the go, or just relaxing at home. Now, here's the kicker. The more consistent you are, the more money you can make. For example, by completing high-paying surveys, you could be earning $7 or more in just a minute or two. And it's not just surveys. Ysense also offers cashback opportunities for trying out services or apps. It's a great way to earn, especially if you want to turn your free time into real money. Before we dive deeper, remember that consistency is key. Spend just 15-20 minutes a day, and you'll see those small amounts add up. Imagine getting paid for things you'd normally do online, and the payout options are flexible. From PayPal Cash to gift cards, you can choose how you want to receive your money. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below to sign up for free